In today's fast-paced world, productivity and practicality are essential components of success. What do these three daily laptop users all have in common? They use Vinpoc's split monitor wherever they go. Vinpoc's split monitor is your portable, convenient, and trustworthy new best friend. It's versatile enough to fit anyone's needs. Quickly attach one or two monitors to your laptop. Vinpoc's split monitor allows you to boost productivity by up to 50%. Use it remotely, in office, or from home. Vinpoc's split monitor can be connected to your Android smartphone for unparalleled efficiency. The presentation mode enables you to share information quickly and effectively. Its compact size and sleek design makes it easy to carry and perfect to use on the go. It's not all business with Vinpoc. Use it for your gaming systems as well. Vinpoc's split monitor. Never leave productivity or fun behind again. Back our campaign today.
Eat delicious food and lose weight. Sound impossible? It's not. Science and real-world results have shown that the ketogenic diet is a highly effective way to lose weight, and now it's more popular than ever. The problem is that it's hard to do effectively. You don't know what to eat, and you don't know how you're doing because of the lack of feedback. Until now. Introducing Keto. Keto enables you to optimize your weight with an entirely new program that's fun and easy to use.
On keto, you eat low-carb, high-fat foods, also known as the ketogenic diet. And this allows weight loss while eating the foods you love. Many people report improved energy, deeper sleep, and some say they have better mental focus. And by using keto, they know what foods to eat to reach their health goals.
Keto is easy. The breath analyzer shows your keto level, which gives you rapid feedback on how you're doing and how much fat you're burning. And the app gives you guidance on what to do and what to eat based on your keto level. It's really that simple.
To lose weight, it's critical to get the right feedback. With keto, one breath tells you everything you need to know. Depending on your body type, you can expect to lose about 5% of your weight in the first 5 weeks. A lot of people in the pilot have lost even more.
Keto is great because it shows me that the foods that I love to eat, I can still eat. I get to eat cheese and I lose weight. I get to eat avocado and lose weight.
When I started the ketogenic diet, I started losing weight and then it just stopped. I had no idea why. Then I started using keto and it completely changed the way that I took in food.
We found that people who did keto with friends had better success.
Siri, play my favorite song.
Hi guys, I'm from the Funkel team. I'm so excited to introduce who we are and launch the Funkel products today. As a startup, we have a very limited budget for the product launch event, which is why I'm here to help introduce Funkel. So yeah, I hope you are as excited as I am right now. Funkel is a hardware startup devoted to making wireless headphones accessible to everyone. Having gained a great deal of first-hand experience with world-class audio companies and manufacturers, we have the confidence to build affordable yet powerful wireless headphones to compete with leading brands. We already produced and shipped a batch of Funkel products in Asia. Now we need your support to help us spread more Funkel products across the globe. Now, I'm honored to introduce the first Funkel product, Funkel W1. Priced at only around $20, Funkel W1 are true wireless headphones that cost a fraction of the price of regular headphones, but come with comparable performance and specifications. Next, moving on to Funkel AI. Funkel AI are the most affordable Qualcomm aptX headphones delivering extremely low latency, which makes them the best companion for people who love to watch movies or play games on their smartphones. I'm excited to play a video to show you what Funkel AI has to offer.
We are proud to introduce the first high-tech power meter everyone can afford. It runs on a standard battery and connects through Bluetooth and ANT+. The adapter is made of light and strong titanium with a nanostructure strain gauge deposited on the surface. Our advanced low-pressure molding technique produces a waterproof casing and a total product that is very light. Here's how it works on the inside. When your leg puts power on the pedal, it causes a miniature bending of the metal. A strain gauge captures this pressure as a change in electrical resistance, which is measured and simply sent to your app or bike computer. Most power meters measure the power of one leg. IQ Square can measure both, so you can see if they're performing the way you want them to. You can then adapt your training accordingly. Of course, we tested our prototype repeatedly, like here on the Direct Trainer, where we optimized our power meter to reach consistent and accurate results. We've done everything we could to create a great turnkey product, so you can instantly start using it upon delivery. Installation on your racer mountain bike is easy. You simply place the adapter in the crank arm and fasten it with a screw. It's connected to our support app, where you can enter customized bike measurements for a smooth fit. When you've successfully completed the installation steps, the app pairs with the power meter and you're good to go. It's compatible with all apps, software and bicycle computers like Garmin and Strava, so you can use your trusted devices to immediately begin training with our product and start pushing your boundaries. This is an opportunity you can't miss. It's easy to use, has great features and is now ready to be ordered.
So we are at this point that we have to go into production. We have some very good production partners who can make our products in a very highly automated production process, which is very important for the price point, of course. And we need your help. So please support us, so you can have your own power meter as well.
Radically improve your performance with IQ Square. thank you for backing us.